This is Abhinandan. It's about 9:30 p.m. on March 10th, 2026. This is at Buenos Aires. I went to a event, a business event, a trading event. Abhinandan here. I went to a trading seminar, workshop, which was for nearly 3 hours time. Though it was in a Spanish, my purpose of visiting is to connect with English speaking people who will, because people who come for trading event, trading, investing, crypto trading, stock marketing trading, are people who are interested in earning money. People who come to ISKCON temple, Krishna temple, or some other places, they won't be interested in making money because they have a lot of negative beliefs about life. I have met such people. They have given up life. Like, they say, I'm not interested. They tell lies also. Okay. So anyhow, I wanted to come for this. I go for a lot of this kind of business events. Either it is in Miami or in New York or when I was in LA or in any country. So I made that video earlier. Now I met 5 people who were speaking good English. One was a doctor, he gave his number. Another person was an engineer, mechanical engineer. Third person was a real estate person. Fourth and fifth were the people who were organizers of that event who speak good English. So I want to give them a proposal for the organizers. Let me see what will happen. And at the same time, out of 3 or 4 people, even if one shows interest, that is good for me. So while I walk for another 7 minutes to the metro station, I know it is dark. It may not be very clear view of the building. I have already done that earlier. Since anyhow I want to walk, I'm just talking while I'm walking. So those of you who watches this, who views this either on Facebook or on YouTube, can visit my website when your mind is fresh and watch the full video. Don't say it is boring, it is long. If you want, everyone dream of going to USA. Even a Chinese president daughter studies in USA. What are the advantages of going to USA? If you don't know, ask Abhinandan. There are many advantages and benefits. But Abhinandan can give you an opportunity when you start a business with $55 or $311 to earn faster and also visit USA when you earn $3,000 per month. $3,000 per month. For 7 months if you earn, your expenses is covered with just a $55 business. But if you have a mental block, this is a real fire. I'm amazed. There are police people over there. This is a police academy and a real fire is coming. I do not know whether you can see the fire. Yeah, can you see that? While I was going, it was not there. So there are 2 police people standing over there. This is some police honoring place. So all the flags are there. So anyhow, and what I want to say is that if you see very nice places to sit, it's already 9:30. When I was coming that time also I've done the recording. A lot of people were sitting. So if you have a mental block, you won't believe, because if you are a liar, you are a liar. I know, because you are a liar, or you will be hearing other people telling lies, so you won't believe. When I can go to a new country, and interact with people and build a friendship, I asked the organizer, if I invest in crypto trading, even if I'm not a citizen. Okay, and if I invest and I earn money, will I be taxed? Can I withdraw to a decentralized crypto? So they told, come and meet, we'll discuss. Now, in your coming to the point is, you won't believe. You won't be confident to speak. Like many people contact me daily. They won't be confident to speak. They just say hello. I ask, what is your name? They cannot say their name. Such is the pathetic people from North India. Really, I'm telling you. If you don't believe me, I will say, when you interact, I'll send you the screenshot. I'll make a video of those people. Anyhow, if you are very confident, if you are bold, if you are courageous, if you are really a man, if you are really a man, watch the video. If you have a dream, and a goal in your life that you have to travel once to USA, okay, with starting a business with $55. The fun is not spending your hard-earned money of 5 lakh rupees and going, but starting a business, a referral affiliate business. And let me tell you, the best business, which no headache, no tension, no stress, getting up at whatever time you want like Abhinandan, going to whichever country you want and staying. See, one time of your life, you should let go of things, not attach it to your only home which you have. You are anyhow going to die one day. You are going to die. So are you going to take your home with you? So let go of things and travel and see the experience. But anyhow, I won't give much motivation about it. So if you want to travel and not spend money much, the best way I am telling, Abhinandan is telling to you, I am traveling like that with just a $55 business. But there I have taken more IDs. I have taken 31 IDs of $55. Okay? But you can start with at least 6 IDs. Or to get confidence, you can start with 1 ID. Okay? So if you don't even learn, if you are not ready to learn, but if you think too much, you won't grow. I know a lot of people, they are thinking too much. For $55, they are thinking. Okay? Too much thinking, you are not growing. I have seen people from last 2012, when I visited USA first. They told, I also want to visit USA. And for 15,800 rupees for a visa fees, and now it is increased to 40,400. But that is an advantage of USA. USA always gives 10-year visa, which Dubai or any other country won't give you. No other country. Okay? And once you have a US visa, you can travel to another 70 country visa free. That is a beauty. Now coming to the point is that there are a lot of other advantages. So if you are ready to start a referral affiliate business on the best technology, 100% decentralized, 100% real decentralized. In India there are 100% fake decentralized. Okay? 100% decentralized, which is 100% payout and 100% paid out instantly with no withdrawal fee. Understand that? No admin fee, no withdrawal fee. Yesterday I saw one video, that fellow sent to me, one useless fellow who has no confidence to speak. But I watched the video. In that it says 10% withdrawal fee and 5% admin fee. 15% goes there only. So in the business, what I am telling you, there is no withdrawal fee. No withdrawal fee, no admin fee. You get 100% paid out. That's the train in which I have to go. So I'll stop at that end over there. So those who are very keen, it is not the video which is important. It is the stock which is important. Okay? So if you are listening to it, you have to be bold. You have to not get offended. You have to take it as fun what I'm saying. This is called trainer talk. Okay, trainers, on the stage they will talk all bad words. Like that talk it is. So talk to Abhinandan after you visit my website abhits.in, abhits.info, which is there on the screen. After you watch completely, when your mind is fresh for nearly after 9 hours of deep sleep, then WhatsApp me, and best time to speak to me is from night 10 p.m. After night 10 p.m. or maybe even after 9 p.m. also is fine. After night 9 p.m. till morning, whole night, because I will be, see people put about yoga, this yoga, something is there. Lot of people teach yoga here. So you know what? I came to the Palarmore station. Here is a Palarmore station. If it was not late, I would have gone around a little more. Okay. So contact and speak to me after you watch the video completely. I repeat that. Either the video is boring. Boring means your brain is boring. Always business videos will be boring. Even 10 minutes of it will look like 10 hours. Understand that. Business videos will always be boring. I attended now 3 hours. Night time I attend sometime, but 3 hours, 4 hours time. It will be boring. But I keep doing some other work and I keep listening to it. So I'm crossing, another 10 seconds is there. 6 seconds. So this is a nice place. 3, 2, 1. Now I cannot cross. Anyhow, so that's the station over there, Palarmore in Buenos Aires. It is a very nice place, nice weather, and people who love to have fun, people who love to have a different kind of fun, this is the place. People who think Bangkok is the ultimate, Bangkok is nothing. Okay, Bangkok is nothing in front of Buenos Aires. So if you are very keen, talk to Abhinandan. This is Abhinandan here. Talk to Abhinandan and I will share more details with you. And I'll give you an offer for you to visit first Malaysia, then China. Once you have to visit, you don't know why you have to visit, but once you visit, it transforms your life. China you have to visit, then South American country Colombia or Buenos Aires, and then New York, USA. I'm going to stop right now. So contact and speak to me after you watch the website, after you watch the video. I've come to the station called Palarmo. I'm going to stop right now.